Hey everyone, we're going to do one last video today. This is a Griffin Hall. It is under construction, so we're going to have to use our imaginations as we walk through this. However, if you do have someone interested or you're interested yourself, I can send you finished pictures and videos as well. This Griffin Hall has been quite popular in a lot of our communities in Williamsburg, Virginia. It offers 3 bedrooms, a large loft area, and more storage than you could imagine or use. Along with that 2-car garage. It is an end home, so there's you've got nice privacy on one side. You've got nice sound barrier walls and firewalls between you and the home next to you, and it's backs to protected trees, which is always nice to have because you're gonna have a nice backyard, and then you're gonna have these trees that kind of give you a buffer between any other future building. Along with that, with this Griffin Hall, it is first floor living. You've got your owner suite on the first floor, all your main living space on the first floor, and then upstairs is that additional living space. So if there is need for additional bedrooms, whether it's on a regular basis or you just have friends and family visiting, it's a great space up there. And even with this design, you could have your own space upstairs. They've got your full bathroom, your storage, your loft or secondary living area, and your 2 bedrooms, both with walk-in closets. So I'm going to take you in here. If you do come out to Stonehouse, don't walk through these homes without us. So you got to make sure you have your hard hats, your boots, make sure you're safe as you're walking through. So I'll take you on a quick tour in here. I did check, drywall is about to go up, but they are not hanging it today, so we're safe to walk through. But you've got your 2-car garage here. You're going to have a minimum of a 20-25 foot driveway as well. So you're going to have parking for 2. You're going to have this nice driveway to the street. It is a sidewalk line community, so there's a sidewalk on at least one side of the community, all of the homes in this community. You've got a nice overhang covered porch area. And then as you walk into this home, you're going to have this nice wide open entryway. Now, like I said, this house is under construction, so use your imagination. Ask me for additional videos and pictures of the finished product. Right here behind this door, where you've got a nice glass window door, you're going to have your coat closet right here. And then this open staircase up to your loft. And we're going to come back to that shortly, and we'll go upstairs and take a look. But you've got this nice grand 2-story entrance. You've got a closet behind the front door. You're also going to have a closet here under the stairs. We haven't made it through the entryway. We already have 2 closets for storage and hanging of coats. You're going to come through this entryway. You're going to have this nice open concept home where you've got your living space here, your dining and kitchen area here. Now I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see where the island will go. So this bar right here that you see sticking out, that is going to be an eat-in kitchen peninsula, and then on this side is going to be all your cabinets, your appliances, as well as additional space there. And that behind that sheetrock is going to be a pantry. Over here to the right of the kitchen is your entryway to the garage, also your laundry area. Let me shut this door, give you a little more idea about that. So you've got a nice large entryway. You could do kind of a storage unit here for coat hanging and shoes. We call it an arrival center. You've got your washer dryer hookups. And then you've got a nice half bath powder room for your guests here. So it's right off your kitchen, convenient for guests, so they don't have to go into your private area. Again, we're back out of the laundry room. This is your kitchen area and your dining area. Now this Griffin we're in has extensions that are optional. So where you see this bulkhead right here, that would typically be the back of the home where you have a wall of windows and glass doors, and it's quite a bit of space. Without the extensions, you're looking at 2,198 square feet. With the extensions, if you get both, you're just shy of 2,400 square feet. But that's a nice sunroom area is what we call that, or great room extension. A lot of open windows, glass in the door area for either an additional sitting area, maybe even a piano. I hear quite a few people getting the extensions to this area. And let me back up, because they have a piano or they want to study. That's separate. Now we're doing a little construction back here. So picture this and imagine it. This is going to be the backyard. And it's hard with this phone to show you how big it is, but it's going to go about 30 feet back, 35 feet back. It's nice and open and wide. And then those tree line back there, that is protected and will remain. With this sunroom extension, the doors move to the side, and there's going to be a patio there. So a nice place to put your patio equipment, sit back, relax, enjoy nature. Kind of looking back at the house from the sunroom, you'll see up here, that's where the loft is, which with those nice archways. We're going to go up there in a minute, but it takes you back towards that kitchen and dining area. And over here to the right, it's kind of a set off entrance into your owner suite. So while the owner suite is off of your main living area, there is a nice little alcove or hallway that goes back to it so that people don't just see into your sleeping area. So you've got nice tall ceilings, nice large room, plenty of space for the oversized furniture, just like I've mentioned in other videos with the Calvert. There's plenty of space for oversized furniture, king size beds. We've got the bathroom here off of the owner's suite. When you first walk in, you're going to have dual sinks, so you have a dual vanity area, mirrors, 2 sinks, a nice deep area for a linen closet, a seated shower option, which with this floor plan you can do a couple different options in here, but the seated shower or a larger walk-in shower is our options. And then we're going to have a commode here in its own alcove, own water closet, so it's a little more private. And I don't know if this camera will allow you to enjoy and appreciate the size of this owner's closet, but it is like a small bedroom in some of the townhomes I've seen in and around the area. It's a little over 9 feet by about 8.5 feet, but it is one large walk-in closet, comes with the shelving already included, and it backs up to that powder room and laundry room area. I don't think I've seen a floor plan in a townhome anywhere in this Williamsburg area that offers the amount of storage space that this Griffin Hall does. Now I'm going to walk back out to the front door so we can go upstairs and appreciate that upstairs area. But to give you a sneak peek, that right there is a walk-in closet upstairs. All bedrooms in the Griffin Hall have walk-in closets. Now we do a standard carpet stairs with white balusters. You do have the option to do hardwood stairs, the metal balusters. You've got quite a few options in this floor plan. So this here is the loft area. All of this open space up here. Great for an entertainment area, teenager or children's play area. If you need a second living space, a study. I've had it set up as libraries before. I've had as many as we've sold of these. We've seen quite a few different uses for this space. Here to the left upstairs, you've got 2 bedrooms. Again, both of them have walk-in closet. Both of them are nice, large-sized bedrooms. Bedroom 2, here's that walk-in closet, plenty of space. People ask why there's a window in the closet. It's really about the aesthetics on the outside that this window's here, but it does give nice light in. They are low-E coated windows with an argon gas between them, so you don't have to worry about that window being around your clothing. It's not going to bleach them. That's going to limit the amount of UV rays that come in. Also, I've actually seen this set up as a children's library before, a little play area, because it is so big. Now, if we want to walk over to that bedroom 3, which is the second bedroom upstairs, again, walk-in closet. So we've got the large bedroom here. And then there's that walk-in closet for bedroom 3. Again, nice large space. Coming back out of the bedrooms, loft is to your right. To the left, It's going to be a bathroom. While it comes standard with 1 sink and additional counter space, it does have the option to do 2 sinks here. What's really neat about this bathroom is it does come with a little divider. So your commode, your shower and tub combo are over here. But there's a nice little half wall for some privacy with the commode. Gives you a little division in that room. And when I talked about storage earlier with the walk-in closets, the linen closets, things like that, your 2-car garage, this is the space that people don't expect. You've got your nice large loft. You've got your bedrooms with walk-in closets, that bathroom, and then right here, this is your mechanical room. Now, as you can see, that's the mechanicals. This and all that space on either side of the drywall up here, that's storage. If I remember correctly, it's about 150 square foot of storage space. You don't find that often in homes, and it's walk-in. There's no climbing up the ladder to an attic. It's just upstairs, walk-in storage. You've got your HVAC. You'll have a hot water tank here or a tankless hot water heater if you choose, hanging on the wall. And then you've got all this space here. Peep over the side of this so you can see there's more space over here. It is climate controlled, windows if you're on an end unit, and all that is storage. You could put your Easter tree or your Christmas tree or any of your decorations up in the loft, decorate them, and wheel them right in there and wheel it right back out. You wouldn't even have to take it down. There's so much space. Before we go, we'll go over here to where these archways and railings will be. And from up here in the loft, you've got a glorious view downstairs into the main living area. I have people that have bought these homes, the Griffin Hall floor plan. They've had a TV down there and a TV up here for 2 people to be watching at the same time. And they say they don't really hear the other television much at all the way the home is designed. Unless somebody turns it up very loud, you can watch 2 separate shows without any interruptions. I do have one couple that says the only interruption she has downstairs is when he's yelling at the TV for a sporting event on the upstairs television. The purple you see throughout here, that's firewalls. You're going to get 2 of those between every building. They go from the foundation to the top of the roof. Each of the purple walls is a 1-hour firewall. You're going to have 2. You have one, your neighbors have one. So there's 2 1-hour firewalls between any shared walls. If you have any questions about the Griffin Hall, want to see a finished product, if you're interested in viewing a Griffin Hall, whether it's one under construction here at Stonehouse Towns or a finished one I can send you a video of, please reach out. You can make an appointment, view videos by email, virtually, live on different apps, Zoom, Microsoft Office or Microsoft Teams, FaceTime, Skype, or I can just send it through you by email. Give us a call. Our online sales reps can be reached at 757-517-0555. Again, Ryan Homes at Stonehouse Towns, Griffin Hall floor plan. We also offer the Calvert and the Rosecliff. 757-517-0555. I look forward to seeing and hearing from all of you. Have a wonderful day.